Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Android Auto not working on Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Polo, Touareg, Volkswagen Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So basically guys, as the first thing that you need to do is go here to your infotainment screen. Make sure that you are in the home section. If you are not, just click on the menu button and then you're gonna be here and you can see all of your apps. So once you're here, just go ahead and click on settings. And then once you're here in the settings, scroll down until you find Bluetooth. Give it a click, and then right here in the Bluetooth settings, you're gonna find paired devices. So one of the reasons why your Android Auto is not connecting is maybe because you have a lot of paired devices. So you can click on paired devices and try to remove one of the devices that you don't use by clicking on delete, and then go back to the menu, click on App Connect, and then try to connect your phone again, and it should be working fine. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.